So I'll tell you about my Kashmir journey because we have always been told that if there is somewhere paradise on earth, then it is here. It is here, right? This is a very famous quote which we have always heard. Everybody speak about Kashmir. Very famous Urdu poets have talked about Kashmir, and rightly said because this is such a place which welcomes you so nicely, and you get mesmerized with the mountains, the way sky are. So before I was planning for this trip, I knew that this is going to be something magical because कश्मीर को मैंने हमेशा किताबों में पढ़ा था, and a place which I have read the names of places I'm going to witness. तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ा एक सरप्राइज था. So while we were heading from Jammu to Kashmir, I knew कि सुबह जो मैं पैकिंग कर रहा हूँ जम्मू से, today is something I would be experiencing for the first time, and this will be something very raw and something very authentic. And I knew that life doesn't give these kind of chances again and again, so I wanted to make the most of it. And we woke up in the morning, did some breakfast from Jammu, and we left pretty early. We knew that जम्मू तक आने में रास्ता थोड़ा सा ख़राब था, बट जम्मू के आगे we knew that now the sceneries, the landscape, they are going to unfold in magical way. Beautiful type of mountains, they started to come. And while I was on my classic 350, I was loving the way I have always dreamt of riding it around the mountains. And today the dream which I had once seen, that कि मैं भी कभी अपनी मोटरसाइकिल को पहाड़ों में लेके जाऊंगा, and here I was actually living the dream and riding it to Kashmir Valley. So this trip had a little bit of curiosity because अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही, बिकॉज ड्रोन अटैक्स हो रहे थे, दे हैड एक्चुअली कम टू एन एंड. सो दिमाग में थोड़ी सी वो लेके डाउट भी था, बट दैट डाउट वाज समथिंग विच वाज द किक वी वर हैविंग कि अब जो प्लान किया है ना, अब जाके ही आते हैं. तो ऐसे करके हमारी जो ट्रिप थी वो अनफोल्ड हुई, और करते करते हम बाइक पे टनल्स आई बहुत सारी, एंड वी हैड अ गाय अलॉन्ग विद अस हु टोल्ड अस समथिंग ब्यूटीफुल. ही सेड दैट ये जो टनल्स आ रही हैं, एक ऐसी टनल आएगी जो टनल एंड होगी, आपको अल्टीमेटली एकदम से पता चल जाएगा कि अब कश्मीर स्टार्ट हो गया है. और आई वॉज जस्ट मेस्मराइज्ड विद हाउ ब्यूटिफुली द माउंटेन्स कैन बी, और ब्लू स्काई इतना ज़्यादा ब्लू हो गया था कि मैं सोच नहीं सकता था. So these kind of stuff was happening to us, और it was no less like a dream for us. और फिर चलने से पहले, because we knew that जो हमारा होटल है that is somewhere around डल लेक. So पूरे रास्ते I was thinking around कि यार ये जो डल लेक है, जिसको मैंने हमेशा फोटोज़ में, यूट्यूब की वीडियोज़ में देखा है, कभी जमा हुआ देखा है, कभी लोग बोलते हैं वहाँ पे बोटिंग होती है, ये होता है, अभी आज मैं सच में सही में जाऊँगा और देखूँगा उसको. That was something which was keeping me kicking all the way. I wanted to reach there, try to reach before sunset, because मैंने सुना था कि डल लेक के ऊपर जो माउंटेन्स पे सनसेट होता है, that is very very magnificent, and that's the reason why I was riding my motorcycle around the mountains, around the curves. And a few kilometers before Pahalgam, the turn comes from Pahalgam, we stopped at a place which was a very very big playground. On the left I could see that there were people who were doing some kind of agriculture, and we stopped at a place, took some beautiful pictures because that was so wide. Those kind of landscape we do not find in Himachal, तो वो चीज़ बहुत ही नई थी मेरे लिए. And then we finally entered into Kashmir, and what I saw was lovely houses made of wood. It was exactly how movies have shown us the beautiful valley be like. When we entered Kashmir, I knew कि यार ये डल लेक के साथ साथ में जब मैं अपनी मोटरसाइकिल को चला रहा था, वो एक कमाली फीलिंग थी यार. तो उसके साथ साथ मोटरसाइकिल को चलाना और श्रीनगर जैसे जगह को देखना, जिसके बारे में मैंने हमेशा यूट्यूब पे ही देखा है, that was a lovely feeling for me. I was looking around people wearing firans because ठंड तो हो ही रही थी थोड़ी सी. And then we went to the hotel where we checked in, and जो check in करके जो मज़ा आया यार, that was something else. I mean, that hotel where we stayed, it was so lovely, so nicely and so warmly they greeted us, so nicely they welcomed us. They welcomed us with a nice kahwa. और वो कहवा, वी वर वेरी टायर्ड एक्चुअली, बट दे सेड कि नहीं साहब, पहले आप कहवा पिए, उसके बाद आप कमरे में जाएँ. तो इतनी अच्छी उन्होंने खातिरदारी करी हमारी कि क्या ही बताऊँ, वो चीज़ मैं कभी भूलूँगा नहीं. बट देन व्हाट वी डिड वाज, वी वेंट टू द रूम्स, चेंज वेंज करके, एंड देन वी went for a walk for around Srinagar city. We went around Dal Lake, we saw some market because we had already had a long journey, so we were also wanted to be ready for the next day. So we were only there for one night. This made me feel like what Kashmir Valley really is. The poets who've been telling about that, this is heaven, this is heaven, they don't tell it simply, it really is. I don't know when I'll be coming to the Kashmir Valley again, but I wish I come again. I wish to know Kashmir more. I wish to explore more part of it. I wish to know it deeply. I wish to connect with more people. I wish to see more of its culture, more of its geography, the places around. And because we needed to leave next day for Zojila, so that's why we had to wrap up the day early, be ready for the next day. But this time I couldn't enjoy Kashmir much. But I hope I'll come back